Hey everyone! I just received a new cutout and collage type of book called Cut-Out Curiosities Space, Science and Technology, a collage book from Maximillian Malone. It's a compelling compendium of technological peculiarities and scientific imaginings to cut and collage. So I thought I would do a flip through for you guys, just so you could see what's inside this book in case you were considering purchasing it for your very own. So if you'd like to see what it comes in this book, then come right back. So hello again. I was shopping on one of my favorite online sites, which is Bookoutlet.ca. And I always type in like collage in the search bar just in case there would be something for collaging. And ooh, this baby popped up. Now, I think they are sold out of this on Bookoutlet.ca. However, it is available through other sources. Now, I'd like to say that I like shopping on Bookoutlet.ca. I have no affiliation with them, but I will leave a link to their site in case you're interested in checking them out. I know there is also bookoutlet.com, but I am in Canada, so I shop at the .ca site. And because I think this one's not available on bookoutlet.ca anymore, I believe it is available on Amazon. I can leave a link for that in the description below. And you don't have to use that link, but it if you do, know that it's an affiliate link, because I am an Amazon affiliate. But there may be other places that have this book. I would also look, if you're in Canada, I would also look at Indigo maybe. Yeah. So I ordered this sight unseen. I only had the title of the book. And I have to say that it's a thick one. It's a thick collage cutout book. And I want to compare it to the Maria Rivens one. So for those of you who are into collaging, art journaling, doing mixed media, all sorts of paper crafting, junk journaling, etc. Sorry if I'm repeating myself. These kinds of books are really a lot of fun for us. So one of the mainstays in collaging, and if you do any collage work, you probably already have this one. It's the Maria Rivens Extraordinary Things to Cut Out and Collage. And this is really like, if you could only buy one book, this is the book you should get, right? Because it has 1,500 images. And this is the thickness of it. And I think this is one of the best purchases I've ever made. And I have two of them. And this copy is faded because it was in the window, so it got faded. But check out this one from Maximillian Malone, Space, Science and Technology. This is how thick it is. This is the Maria Rivens. And I thought this was my thickest book. This is the space one. Wow, it's a thick book right away. I think you get an idea of the value. So if you're wondering where all your money goes, it's for this. Excuse me while I remove the cat here. Ooh, kitty. So, right off the bat, I have to tell you that since I bought this at a discount too from Bookoutlet.ca, because their books are all 50% off and more, I wish I had been able to buy more than one copy. So here it is. So Maximillian Malone, Cut-Out Curiosities Space, Science, and Technology, a collage book. It's a Smith Street Books publication. It's a big book, and I can't, yeah, no, my phone is, okay. So, let me see, does it say the total number of pages? It does not say, but it's full of images from the beginning to the end. I'll tell you that much. I don't know how many pages there are. Does it say anywhere? Yeah, there's tons. So the regular price in Canada is $33.50 for this. I think that's the same price on Amazon. I did not pay that. I paid way less than that, so I got a good deal on it. So here it is. You have an introduction to the artist himself, the creator, and it's interesting. And I want to go check out. He has a website. Yeah. So this is the first few pages. You get a introduction to what is collage and what you need for collaging, like the basic tools. And then he goes into a process of collaging. And there's no right or wrong way to collage or to use this book. And, you know, but the author does give examples of how it can be used. And this page alone is really cool. There's a good example of a collage. So here we go. This, I believe, is a picture from the artist, inside the artist's studio. What a fun workspace. I love it. Oh, and another sample of his work. And look how he's got the little toy astronaut holding the cutting knife here. That's cute. Okay, so approach is in 4 parts, blah, blah, blah. You can do research. There's a good, really explanation of how you can do collage. It's good. I really like that. So it's not just the stuff that you have to cut out, but you do get some explanation of how to do arrangements and styles. So you get that in the beginning. And there's some more samples of how you can do collage. So yeah. All that. And then you get to the stuff where you can cut out. So most of the pages are double-sided. There is something of interest on both sides. The paper is nice and matte, which I really like. And yeah, it is retro. It's more vintage style space. And I think there's something for if you're interested in having a book on the theme, the space theme, you will love this. And also if you're into any retro style science fiction stuff, you would probably appreciate this. I love it. I like it for all the images, the space images, because I don't have a lot of that in my stash. So this is great. This is fulfilling a gap. This is filling a gap for me in my own collection of space things, because it's not a theme I focus on, but it is a theme that I would like to use sometimes in my work. So this is perfect for my needs. So this is the book. So these are the beautiful pages. I'm going quickly because there's a lot to go through, but I just thought this might be appreciated by someone who is considering purchasing this book, but was wondering if it was worth it. Because I know a lot of these cutout and collage books that we purchase online, it's hard to tell if what's in them. And a lot of them, you purchase them sight unseen and you get them, and you might find that there's a lot of blank pages. There's nothing, or the images are far apart, or the paper is not the quality that you want to work with. Someone might prefer to work with something that's very glossy. This is not glossy. This is matte. But there's someone out there who prefers to work with matte. And then there's someone like me who doesn't really mind if it's matte or glossy. I work with all of it. But, you know, I'm here to tell you what this one looks like in case you are not willing to gamble with your money to purchase this thing. I think it's great. I think even at $33, this is a good one. This is worth buying. Like, this is a great one for general, and this one for the science, spacey theme. Excellent. Absolutely. I recommend this one. Look at that. And look at some of this is artwork done by another artist, a contributor or the partner of this artist. There's just so much. There's so much. See, I love this image here. Oh, there's so many. And look, very vintagey things. So I think there's a very good mix of images in here. Now here's a couple pages that the back, this one is just blue, but it's like it's not solid. So these could be, you know, the back pages could be used as background or just for color. If you're going to cut out parts of this, you could use the leftovers as for colorful bits. So, yeah, there's a lot in, there is so much in here. And it is science, right? And space science and technology. So there's a lot of natural things in here. There's like the fish and the seashells, and look at that. These are cells. This is marbling, but these is like cells too. And look at that. This is like sea critters and things, plants, mushrooms, butterflies, insects. So you see, it's not just space. So if you're thinking, well, I'm not really into space, but I like the vintage images, you've got that in here too. It's a good mix. I don't like snakes. Some animals. There's some black and white. There's color. Dinosaur. Film strips. There's some odd stuff. Anatomy. the theme is science and space and technology. So I think this fills a big gap in my collection. I didn't have a lot of this type of collage images in my stash, and I've collected it here and there through textbooks and things like that. It's nice to have a nice big book all about that. So technology. So yeah, really, 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 I think it's a very, very cool book. Very, very interesting. So I hope you enjoyed my flip through of Maximillian Malone's Cut-Out Curiosities Space, Science, and Technology, a Collage Book. A compelling compendium of technological peculiarities. I can't say the word. And peculiarities and scientific imaginings to cut and collage. So if you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I read all your comments and I do respond to them, and I really, really appreciate all of my viewers, even the ones that don't comment. Thank you so much for your support. So yeah, if you're interested in this book, this is what it is. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, stay crafty. Bye.